Welcome to WebStylePress. If you are new here, consider subscribing and hit the bell icon. I have been using TubeBuddy, that is a great tool to manage YouTube channel. It's a YouTube channel growth tool containing all the tools you need to grow your channel super fast. It's a secret weapon used by almost every big channel. TubeBuddy delivers results. I will show you my favorite tools in TubeBuddy. I like TubeBuddy's backup tool, keyword explorer tool, and SEO studio or keyword planner. TubeBuddy is available as an extension for web browsers like Google Chrome and Mozilla Firefox. If you use Google Chrome, you can go to Chrome Web Store and search for TubeBuddy here, and this will give you this TubeBuddy extension that you can add to your Google Chrome web browser. And if you use Mozilla Firefox, TubeBuddy has got add-on for Mozilla Firefox. You can download that from Mozilla's add-ons page. After you have added TubeBuddy extension or add-on to your web browser, you can go to YouTube Studio, and from there you will see this TubeBuddy icon. If you click here, it will ask you to log in. After you log in, you will be able to see all the tools that TubeBuddy offers. So for the backup tool, click at the content from your YouTube Studio and you will see this bulk and miscellaneous tools. But after you log in to TubeBuddy, then this option will be revealed here. Click at this option, and from here you can click at channel backup. You can backup video ID, description, channel ID, privacy information, title information for videos, category information, tags and date published, all the metadata. You can take the backup for that, and after that backup will be done, you can download it from here. So this is one of my favorite tools that TubeBuddy offers. And then let's see what it offers here. Here you can see popular tools and features. It has got keyword explorer, and then here we have got thumbnail generator. You can generate thumb for any video right from TubeBuddy. And you can check the health for your YouTube channel. You can deploy A/B testing for any video. You can bulk process your videos for specific tasks. Comment moderation is very easy and powerful with TubeBuddy. It offers extra tools for comment moderation. You can check out complete analytics for your YouTube channel with TubeBuddy. And here is the keyword explorer. I will give you a practical example here. So recently I created a video about font family. It's about what is font family in CSS. In CSS and HTML we use font family. So I created a video about font family. So my main keyword here is font family. I want to explore what other people have published about font family, or what keywords should I use for my video about font family. So I will type font family here. This is my main keyword, and from here you can see it suggests few options for this keyword, or I can click explore. And it is suggesting that overall score for this keyword is poor. Its search volume is excellent, and its competition is poor, and optimization strength is kind of good. You want to use such keyword that has got good score here. So it is suggesting me related keywords in video searches panel. What is font family? Explore. So it has got relatively good score. if I check this, what is font family in CSS, you will see the key phrase here has changed, and a score for that is fair. I am looking for a better keyword that has got a good overall score. So I can click at these keywords. So let's try font family CSS. Score for this term is also fair, and I have got more suggestions here. Font family CSS in Hindi, font family CSS, Google fonts. My video is not about Google fonts. Comics, my video is not about Comic Sans, and my video is not about CSS Poppins font, and font family CSS code list. My video is not about that. CSS font family tutorial. My video is about CSS font family, and it's a tutorial. So let's check this out. So this keyword or this key phrase or term has got very good overall score. So I will use this term, CSS font family tutorial. So my main keyword is still font family, but for better results, I will use CSS font family tutorial in title and description as my keyword phrase because it has got very good score. You can also use these common video tags. You can select all, or you can select to video tag limit, and you can select these tags, and then from actions you can copy to clipboard to copy all of these tags. We will use these tags. Select these tags and paste it somewhere in a notepad or something. We will use these tags later on. So for Keyword Explorer, our task here is done. We have selected the best keyword or keyword phrase that I want to use for my video. I will just copy it and I will close this tool. I will write this key phrase somewhere separately safe. And after you have selected your keyword, you can try SEO Studio. SEO Studio is like keyword planner tool. So it is about building a perfect searchable title and description and tags for your video. By using this tool, you can build perfect title, description and tags for your video. And this tool will also show you potential results for those title, descriptions and tags that you will create here. So our keyword was this CSS font family tutorial. I will keep it simple here again, font family, and I will hit the start button. So as you can see, if I select font family as title and font family as description, this will give me 62% score. And it is suggesting that include your target keyword naturally in the title and include partial matches of your target keyword in the description. So from here in the title, I will paste this CSS font family tutorial, and I will also paste this CSS font family tutorial here, and you can see SEO score has increased to 86% here. My tutorial is about what is font family. So from here, I'm gonna include that in the title as well. What is font family? CSS font family tutorial. I have got description for my video that I'm going to paste here. And as you can see, SEO score has increased. I do not need this keyword here. as my main keyword is font family, that is coming in the title, and that is also highlighted as yellow with the yellow background here, and font family is also here, this keyword. So everything is green here and I'm good to go. So I've got a good title and good description. And for the tags, go to step 2, tags, and from here you will see a few suggestions here, and you can click at this button, that is add to tag limit, to add these tags here. And as you can see, SEO score has gone to 100%. That is insane. But I do not need all of these keywords here, because I will choose to use keywords that are relevant to my video. And from here I do not need font family in a room for 24 house, for 24. I do not need I'm not my video is not about React.js, my video is not about Google Fonts, my video is not about free download, and it's not about VS Code either. So I will remove these tags as well. It's not about React Native, not Android Studio, font family HTML can be alright. It's not about Flutter, not about this tag as well. Reunion is not related to my video. So I have got font family CSS, font family HTML. So I need these 3 tags are related to my video, and still I have got this 99% SEO score here. And now if you have got still room left here to add few more tags, then do you remember we copied common video tags? You can sort those common video tags, select few best tags and add those tags here. I have copied those tags here, and after you enter, these tags will be added here. So font family HTML, CSS tutorial, font tutorial, CSS3 tutorials, font family, CSS tutorial for beginners, typography, learn CSS font family, CSS font family, CSS. These tags are relevant to my video. Usually you do not need this much tags. Keep tags relevant and less. So point being, by using this SEO Studio, you can create perfect title and description, and you can select best tags for your video to achieve great SEO score in search engine and in YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel and you want to grow that channel rapidly, you should try out TubeBuddy, especially its keyword explorer tool and this SEO Studio or keyword planner tool. Check out TubeBuddy, link is in the description below. I hope you liked this video. If I missed anything, comment down below. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media, links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.